Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'm going to show you on how to remove extension in Chrome browser. So let's see. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Chrome browser. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you need to do is to come to the top right here, click on this three dots right here, and then come straight down to the extension. Then simply go to manage extension, and all the extension you have is going to be shown right here. Now what you can do right here is to simply remove any of the extension you would like to remove. If you want to remove any of the extension, what you need to do is to simply navigate to remove right here, and then remove Adobe PDF, edit, convert, sign in. So simply click on remove, and with that, the extension is going to be automatically removed without any stress. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. Find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.